You know, a lot of people think being a cable television celebrity like myself is all fancy parties and overindulgent drug use. And they'd be right, but it's more than that. Cable television celebrities have to spend long hours trying to get a kick-ass tan. Hello, I'm Mary Birdsong, star of cable television's Reno 911. Even though being the star of a cable television show that's no longer on the air is a lot of fun, there is some work that goes along with it. We have to tweet, post things on Facebook, go online and order new headshots, answering fan mail from Edward in Russia. And Edward, I'm going to give you a little taste of cable television celebrity. How about that? Edward writes, I live in Russia, in city Novocherkassk. Very much I ask you to send me by mail your photo and your autograph. This you will make me the happiest man. Please! 3 exclamation marks. Very not to be easy during our heavy time, the happy man. Edward's got a good point there. Very not to be easy during our heavy time to be the happy man. I invite you to Russia. We love you very much, Edward Revenko. Well, Edward Revenko, I just might surprise you and take you up on that trip to Russia. I give you my frequent flyer info and all that stuff. Well, back to work.